Hi students, we are going to understand here stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism. If you talk about the stereoisomerism, students, so what the point which we have to keep in mind, that is molecular formula. If you're talking about that is will be same. Okay. If you talk about molecular formula, same. What about the structural formula, student? If you are talking about the structural formula, so structural formula is also same. You know, here the both same of things are same because in the last when we were studying structural isomerism, we find that its structures were different, but we are here what we are finding here we are finding that is molecular formula along with the structures both are same. And what is different, both are the same, then what is different? But here I am writing, but differ in, student, differ in relative position of atom, but differ in relative position of atom, but differ in relative position of atom. Got it? Relative position of atom in space. So what is the difference, dear student? That is relative position of atom in space will be different. Okay. Now just try to understand with the examples. Yeah. If this is what is something, suppose Cl is there, here is F is there, here is, let me write down, that is H and H. Similarly, we can change this one in this, what C double bond C is there. But what I did here a hydrogen, here is a fluorine, and here is a Cl and here is H. Okay. Or you can do one more thing you can do. Here you put out to be Cl only. Okay. Both side let it be Cl. Cl and here is Cl. What you are going to observe here, dear students, you are going to observe one thing, that is similar group same side. I know above and below the plane, similar group same type side. Okay, similar group same side, similar group same side. What about this, student? What about this similar group opposite side? Here you see, what are these? Okay, what are these? Similar group, where are they? Similar group opposite side, similar group opposite side, similar group opposite side. OPOSIT, opposite side. So if what are the difference, dear student? Kindly keep in mind. Similar group, relative position of atom, here you see. Where are the? That is above. Similar atom up. And similar atom what? 180 degree. Okay, similar atom 180 degree. Here is hydrogen is down. Here is what is hydrogen is what? 180 degree. So what are the things? What are going to be? What is happening here? That is molecular formula is same, structural formula is same, but differ in relative position of atom in space. So this is all about the stereoisomerism. Now friend, what is that? If you're talking about the types of stereoisomerism, you know, types of what? Stereoisomerism, types of stereoisomerism. So how many types of stereoisomerism? There are two types are there, student. The first one is geometrical. Okay, geometrical, and another is what is known as, friend, that is optical. Today we are going to discuss geometrical. Found in, found in what? Alkene. Okay, if you are that alkene, or that is having double bonded carbon, that should have having what is double bonded carbon. This is what having double bonded carbon. This point you need to keep in mind. Okay, then only you need to proceed later on. But here what you are going to observe, that is that it will be found in the double bond. Symmetrical isomerism also going to be two type. Here is the one is the cis, another is going to be trans. Okay, if you are talking about cis, so let us try to write down the what is the cis. So here if you are going geometrical, so geometrical you got to know that is it will be found in the alkene, and means that is the at least one double carbon double bond should be there. It is going to be two type. Cis form. This is going to be cis form of geometrical isomerism. Cis form of geometrical isomerism. Okay, this is cis form of geometrical isomerism. And this is what about this one, student? Transform. This is going to be transform of geometrical isomerism. Of geometrical isomerism. This is what is the point, friend. If you are talking about cis form, if you are talking about the cis form, so what is going to happen, friend? What is going to happen? If similar group are same side, if similar group are same side, okay, if similar group are same side, then it is cis form, then it is cis form. Okay, now you go for this one. If they are saying similar group are different, if similar groups are different side, if similar groups are different side, so what is going to be there, student? Then it is trans isomerism. Then it is going to be what, student? Trans isomerism. Then it is going to be trans isomerism. Similar group same side, cis form. Similar group different side, that is going to be the trans isomerism. Okay, now let us try to understand that is GI. Here I am taking that is butene, I am taking that is butene. And if you are talking the structure of butene is CH3CH, double bond again going to be CH, and here is CH3. This can be represented in two way. How can you be able to represent C double bond C, and here also mentioning C double bond C? So how, dear student, how can you be able to understand this one structure? So that is, if CH3 is there, CH3 same site, and then hydrogen is there, okay, you can mention it out. What, there is a 1, here is 2, this is 3 and 4. So that is what is butene. Butene is there. So here is 1, here is 2, 3 and 4. But similar group are what? Where? Same side. Okay. So that is what? Cis butene. What about this one? If CH3 is there, you can put the CH3 here. Here is hydrogen. Here is hydrogen. So similar group is going to be opposite side now here. So that is going to be what? Trans. Okay. Butene. Trans-butene. So this is what the point. If you are making the problems, if you are doing the examples of the GI students, there are n number of compounds are there. Okay, so there you will be able to understand the GI. Okay. हेलो. अरे सर पढ़ा तो रहा था, 2 मिनट वेट करेंगे क्या? अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. अरे तो वो तो क्या बोल रहे